Okay, go ahead.
The standard form of the equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are integers, and a and b are not both 0. We can convert an equation from standard form to slope y-intercept form by performing some algebraic manipulation. In standard form, the coefficient of the x term is always positive. If the coefficient of the x term is negative, you can multiply both sides by -1 to express the equation in standard form. For example, negative 3x plus 4y subtract 7 equals 0 is not in standard form. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 3x plus 4y subtract 7 equals negative 1 multiplied by 0, which gives 3x subtract 4y plus 7 equals 0.
Oh, okay, anyone confused by that? All right, I thought so. All that they're saying here, guys, is to get to standard form, your a value up here in front of x has to be positive, okay? So if you run into an equation like this, where the a value is actually negative, multiply everything by -1, okay? Because the 0 multiplied by -1 is still 0, that'll stay the same on the right-hand side. It'll just be equal to 0, but all the other signs will change. So see how this is negative 3x plus 4y minus 7 becomes positive 3x minus 4y plus 7. Do you see how all the signs changed? So the only point there is that if you have something in standard form where the a value is negative, you have to multiply everything by -1 to change that value, okay? That's all they're saying. Tyler.
What do they mean by it's not in standard form?
They're saying that with a negative sign for a, it's not considered standard form. It has to be multiplied by -1.
So like, what is standard form?
This right here. Okay, where a has to be positive,
Yeah.
okay, and b and c can't be 0. 0. Adam.
Does it matter if B and C are positive or negative?
No. Just a. Any other questions? All right, let's see the examples. It should make more sense once we go through some examples. Example 1, change from standard form to slope y-intercept form. They call it slope y-intercept form. I've been calling it equation of a line form, okay? They're both the same thing, all right? Express each equation in the form y equals mx plus b and identify the slope and y-intercept pattern. So the way we do that is we need to rearrange and isolate for positive y. Because it's y equals mx plus b, so the left side always has to be positive y. So that's all we're doing here. In this equation, we want to move everything away from the y. So the x goes to the other side and the 3 goes to the other side. So 3 becomes positive and x becomes negative. And it's mx plus b, so the x is written first.